Hello guys, Spartan Beard here, and today we got another Razer product to unbox and make a review of. And judging from the box, you guys can tell this is a notebook. Well, at least it should be. Well, it says Razer Blade Stealth 512 gigabytes in black. Well, I don't think Razer carries this notebook in different colors other than black. Okay, let's see the box over here. So we got some writing over here. I'm not gonna read it for you. Got some Dolby Digital and Intel Inside signs. From gamers, for gamers? Is that what it says? For gamers, by gamers. I gotta get that straight. Some logos and barcodes over here. HDMI. The logo right here, and nothingness over here. And this thing over here, it's the only thing that stops us from getting inside. So I got a solution for that. Fear no more. Oh yeah. Now, like this. You guys ready? And there's another box inside, so you guys can tell. This is gonna choke me. Let's try it this way. So what we got inside, it's another box. Nice feeling. Little tab over here. Pull it up. Little box over here. Let's see what's inside. I always love how Razer puts their product in the packaging. It's always so neat, so thought of. You know what I mean? This, I don't know. It's a whole experience. Like everything is like laid out for you, easy to grab and easy to unbox. Thank you for making it easy for me, Razer. So over here, we got the charging block over here. Really nice and small. You know what I mean? You can really put it in your pocket and walk around with this, and nobody gonna even tell like you have a charger in your pocket. You know what I mean? It's like nice, slick looking. Has this thing over here, so you can manage your wire, which is pretty cool because you always get like a tangled one like this. I think can actually help you with that. Other than that, you got this, this USB-C actually. It's pretty cool. This is really cool. It's my probably first product that has a USB-C on it. So what else we have over here? We got a cable, We have a cable that goes with it. Really feels nice to the touch. Okay, anything else over here? Nothing. This is from this thing, and this thing is empty as well. You guys ready? Sure I am. Get rid of this box over here. And this thing as well. And this thing as well. Clean up the table. Now this is like a small nice package over here. Ooh, look at that. I love the green Razer theme. Really nice. And before I open this package, I got a little announcement. Currently I have 133 subscribers, and I don't know, I mean, when I started this YouTube channel, I never thought I will have more than 10, 12, 20, you know what I mean? Because, you know, my friends just sign up and be like, you know, supportive and stuff, but it's not even a year and I have 133 subscribers, and I got views on my channel, likes, comments, and I appreciate every single like, every single comment. I mean, you guys are great. 133 is a big number. Personally, I don't know 133 people, so this is a big thing for me. So thank you guys for subscribing, commenting, and liking my videos. Keep crushing it. Thank you. But now, let's proceed. Wow, look at that. Nice foam over here, protecting your new device. Put this aside. Thank you for choosing Razer system. You're welcome. That's pretty nice when they include like a little note, like appreciating your investment to some kind of product. I really value that, and it looks like they do too. This looks so good. Gonna lift it over here and put it aside for a second. I'll be back with that. It's nice, actually. It's pretty heavy. We have over here. Let's see. Oh, okay. Open. It says right here. trying to use brute force on this. Oh, sticker. One? They used to include like 2, 3 of them. Well, never 3, but 2. Over here, got a cleaning cloth. It's a nice touch. I wonder if there's a... Yes, it does. Has like a blade over here, if you can tell, which is pretty cool, and a logo over here. So, you know, people know they're using quality cloths. Over here, we got some the booklet that comes with it, you know, how to set up and how to charge, how to turn it on, you know what I mean? Some basic stuff that we're not gonna need right now and ever. Some warranty information, and this box is empty. It is empty. Okay, let's put this away and bring this star of the show to the show. This is so slim. I mean, I love the design of this, and it kind of reminds me of a MacBook Pro, but MacBook Pro comes in this silver metallic color that I don't really like. I mean, it's cool and all that, but this is like a black one. It's stealthy. It says the name, by the way. And this is like a gaming oriented. This is like a power. When I see this, I know it's powerful. You know what I mean? Probably I'm talking too much. Let's get to the fun part. So I'll pull this thing over here. So satisfied to take the plastic off. Oh man, I don't even touch it, but you know what? Let's do it. Oh, wow, it's a fingerprint resistant. It's pretty cool. Like this over here, you touch it and it leaves like fingerprint. You see? On this thing, wow, pretty cool. Okay, well, what we got over here is like a probably vents for cooling, some rubber feet. Wow, actually feel like silicone. Really nice. This is stuck on my table now. Okay. Wow. So what we got? Some glue. I thought it's a ding already, straight out of the box. Right over here. So what we have for connectivity? Over here we got a USB 3 for charging and data, I'm guessing. Over here we have a USB 3. What is this? 3.5mm jack. Very nice. Very nice. Over here nothing. Probably like LED light over here. You can say, if you can tell. Another USB 3, HDMI, nothing in the back. And sleek design. I'm gonna open this and you guys are gonna be the first ones who's gonna see it. I'm sharing it with you guys. Doing it for the moment. Oh, nice. I'm like, it feels soft inside. Wow, look at this thing. This thing is beautiful. Okay. Camera in the camera in the camera. How about that? Turn this over like this. Does it open? Wow, it's a pretty wide, if you can tell. This opens pretty wide. Let's see if there's any juice in there. Yes, it does. Oh man. Wow, it changes the color when it loads. This is spectacular. I love Razer products. Alright, let's wait till this loads and I'm gonna show you guys the screen. Okay, and we're in. Wow, the display is really stunning. I cannot find a single word to say how beautiful it is. I mean, you guys not gonna be able to see how beautiful and crisp it is, but you gotta trust me on this one. During the installation, you know, like I heard the speakers and Cortana speaking through them. It was nice and crisp and, you know, like, I don't know, even Cortana sounds good on these speakers. So I'm gonna test with some music. Graphics, display, it's amazing. It's, what is this? It's a 3200 by 1800. So this is actually a lot of pixels packed for this size, which is a 13-inch model, I'm guessing. Yeah, it's a 13.3. So this is a little bit more than 13, you know what I mean? This is not standard. This is a little bit bigger than 13. So during the installation, also this keyboard over here, it's breathing like throughout the like a whole color palette, like you know, you get some greens, reds, and you know, you can tell as we speak because this was green before, now it's blue. So cool. I mean, they thought of all the like small details that, you know, it's not gonna make you happy all this time, but when you open it, you have like a first-hand experience. Oh man, they did like an awesome job. And one more thing I like about these premium notebooks and premium products in this case, you know, like the cheap ones, they put like a lot of stickers over here. Everything's like stickered up, like you have everything on like a, you know, covering your finish, or you know, this handrests. And some people don't remove them, they just use it as it is, and then the glue gets so sticky and tacky, and it just, you can't even peel it off. If you do, you have like a residue left over. And you're trying to you know, buff it off, you burn it through like a paint or whatever it is. Don't ask me how I know. So over here is really minimalistic. And they have only one that says Intel Core i7, 7th generation, which is a newest one, I'm guessing. I don't know. Other than that, it's so slick. I mean, let's try the keyboard. Oh, nice noises that makes. They are pretty comfortable actually, you know what I mean? They're not mushy, and sometimes, you know, with this kind of notebooks that are slim, when you press like on a corner over here, it's you know, it's like kind of goes like sideways, and it has this mashy feeling that I don't really like, because you know, you press it and you quite don't know if you actually bottomed out or you just hit the corner and it didn't actually count as a press. So on this one you can really tell when it bottoms out, and you know, you can really hit like a corner of this and it's still nice feeling, you know what I mean? It doesn't like collapse to one side like the other ones. Other than that, yeah, you can listen to this. Let's make it louder. It's not as loud. Yeah, I can see this doing it. I mean, it's not too loud. It's not like crazy, but the quality is there. I mean, you know, for a notebook that this is this thin, you know what I mean? It does it all. You know what I mean? You can comfortably put this, you know, in your bed and watch a movie and have a nice experience. But if you want to like have a little bit of better sound, you know what I mean? You can always use headphones, which are, you know, gonna make it more cinematic. Other than that, I mean, I don't see one thing that I can complain about this. Let's see the camera quality on this. Okay, for camera, I can go over here. Oh man, you guys see my janky overhead camera right there, which is my iPhone 10. No location, please. Wow, my skin is super red. Okay, let's record a little clip for you guys over here. But before that, let's go to settings and see what we have over here. Photo burst, no thank you. Aspect ratio, no grid, thank you. No. Oh, 720, no. Oh, this is actually 720 is a max. Okay, it's not too bad. 60 hertz, please. Okay, I guess that's it. Gonna refresh a little bit and let's record a little video for you guys. Wow, mic check, mic check. I'm guessing microphone is right over here. Oh, there's actually two pinholes I can see on this, and it's probably a stereo microphone. As far as the video quality, I mean, it's decent. You know what I mean? I would probably use this. You know what I mean? This is not the phone's camera. Not close, but you know, you can see the detail. You can see a single hair that I didn't comb on my beard. But other than that, I really like it. Pause it. Pause it, goddammit. Alright, we got the video right here, and let's see how it came out. Wow, mic check, mic check. I'm guessing the microphone is right over here. Oh, there's actually two pinholes I can see on this. And stop the video, please. So I noticed when I was tapping on these two pinhole microphones, the noise was coming, I mean the sound was coming from these separate, you know what I mean? depends what I was tapping on, and I will get like a stereo effect, which is pretty cool. I mean, never had this experience. Usually, you know, notebooks have like a, if they're not stereo, they have like a one microphone that's like another microphone speaker that's on the side or front of you, you know what I mean, which is like nah. And I saw actually notebooks too that have like a speakers on the bottom, which is like a jankiest possible placement for the mic speaker. Let's get it right. But this one, I mean, it does it good, you know what I mean? Okay, let's close this out and go to properties. Okay. One. Okay. Let's see all the specs on this thing. So now it comes with the Windows 10 Home, 46-bit. This is a 10th build. English, obviously, Razer Blade Stealth, BIOS version 1.1, and it comes with the Intel. I don't think the Razer does any products that carry AMD CPUs in there, but I might be wrong. Let me know if you guys know. As far as the CPU, this is a i7-7500U. I don't know what the U stand for. So this is 2.7 gigahertz processor, and the turbo's up to 2.9. Okay, 4 CPUs. That means it's probably 4 core, 8 threads. Memory, we got 16. Other than that, and DirectX 12, which is really nice. Display, what we got for display? It's an onboard graphic chip that's integrated to Intel's CPU, which is an HD graphics 620, which is alright. I mean, you can even use that for like 4K video streaming. I mean, it's not gonna even suffer. You can probably stream even like 8K. I might be wrong. I mean, but this is like a powerful processor for the something that is this small. Wow, 10 minutes into this notebook and I got buried in. I completely forgot about the video. Miss Kuzi. And I actually got some fingerprints on this. So this is not that resistant as I thought, but I like that it has like an illuminated light over here. I mean, this beats this, you know what I mean? If you have this doesn't matter. That's at least how I see it. Let's see if it's a touch screen. It is. Yeah, good job, Razer. I think they hit all the targets, everything that counts. They have a nice keyboard, nice display, pretty good sound, all the connectivity ports that you will ever probably need. If you don't, I mean, you can always get the dangle, right? I mean, it's dangle world. Honestly, I really like it. This is like one of the best notebooks that are on the market, and for its price, it's you can match it with the competitors, and with this product you're getting so much more. Well, it's my opinion, and I'm kind of biased towards this product because I remember my first Razer product, my cousin, thank you Narek, he gifted me a mouse that was a Death Adder or something like that, and I really loved the product from there. And I did some research. I found like awesome mice and keyboards that they carry. Back in the day, they didn't have notebooks and products of this caliber. And you know, that was my first product, and I was super happy with it. It was working fantastic, like this very thing. And after that, they released a case that was probably like a 3, maybe 2. Maybe even 4 years ago, and I decided to build a computer out of it, and I did. Then they came out with the notebooks and stuff like that. I'm like, damn, I gotta get them all. I'm an ash catcher. I'm gonna catch all the Razer products. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you guys liked the video, you guys know what to do. Leave me a thumbs up, that helps me a lot, motivates me a ton, and I'm gonna keep on making these videos for you guys. Become a subscriber so you don't miss future videos, future fun things, gaming, unboxing, ding that I do. And other than that, this was me, Spartan Beard, and I see you guys on the other side. Well, hello Mr. Razer.